So how to install National General mobile app? So just tap get and then depending on your phone model, you can just easily install it. So this is National General, an all-state company. With National General's mobile app, you can access your insurance ID and easily make payments. You can also enroll in paperless billing, sign documents, renew or reinstate your policy, receive important notifications, and more. So that's basically the idea here of the app. Then you can just see like all of the details, some of the screenshots. This app doesn't have that much ratings yet, but yeah, you can just register user and then how to register your mobile account. Just enter your policy number and then you can just sign in from here, and then trying to track down your policy number, check your policy documents or ID cards, call them, and that's basically how you can just get started with this insurance app.